One of the most significant financial decisions we as individuals face is whether to invest their money or pay off debt. This video aims to provide a comprehensive analysis of the pros and cons of both options and offer guidance on which one should be prioritized. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, this report will help readers make informed decisions based on their unique financial situations. Hey, welcome back to Caffeinated Money, your go-to source for financial education and stock market insights. I'm your host Mike, here to help you brew up some financial success. Hot beverage. In today's video, we're going to dive into investing versus paying off debt. Which should you do first? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we've got something for everyone. So, grab your favorite cup of joe and let's get started. But before we do, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks to secure your future. Let's get into it. The choice between investing and paying off debt can be challenging, as both options have their merits and drawbacks. This video will delve into the key factors to consider when making this decision, including financial goals, interest rates, risk tolerance, and tax implications. By understanding these factors, individuals can make well-informed choices that align with their financial objectives. Factors to consider. When deciding between investing and paying off debt, several critical factors should be considered. 1. Financial goals. Your financial goals play a pivotal role in this decision. If your primary objective is wealth accumulation and long-term financial growth, investing may be a priority. However, if reducing financial stress and achieving debt-free status are paramount, focusing on debt repayment is the logical choice. 2. Interest rates. The interest rates on your debts and the expected returns on your investments are crucial considerations. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, often takes precedence because the interest costs can outweigh potential investment gains. In contrast, low-interest debts, like a mortgage with a low fixed rate, may be manageable while allocating funds to investments. 3. Risk tolerance. Your risk tolerance plays a significant role in this decision. If you have a high risk tolerance and a long investment horizon, you may be more inclined to prioritize investing. Conversely, a lower risk tolerance may push you towards debt repayment for the peace of mind it offers. 4. Tax implications. Tax considerations are essential. Some debt interest, such as mortgage interest, may be tax deductible, reducing the effective interest rate. Additionally, certain investment accounts offer tax advantages that can impact your decision, such as tax-deferred growth in retirement accounts. 5. Emergency fund. Before aggressively investing or paying off debt, ensure you have an adequate emergency fund. Having liquid savings can prevent you from taking on high-interest debt in emergencies and provide a financial safety net. Pros of investing. Potential for wealth accumulation. Investing in assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate can provide the opportunity for significant wealth growth over time. Compound interest. Compounding allows investments to grow exponentially over the long term, leading to substantial returns. Diversification. Investing in a diversified portfolio can spread risk and potentially enhance returns while reducing exposure to any single asset class. Tax advantages. Certain investment accounts, such as retirement accounts, example 401(k), S, TFSA, RRSPs, IRAs, offer tax benefits, such as tax-deferred or tax-free growth. Cons of investing. Risk of losses. Investments are subject to market volatility, and there is a risk of losing money, especially in riskier assets like stocks. Interest costs. If the interest rates on debts are high, the returns from investments may not outweigh the interest expenses. Uncertainty. Market conditions can be unpredictable, making it challenging to forecast investment returns accurately. Pros of paying off debt. Reduced financial stress. Eliminating debt can lead to peace of mind, reduced stress, and improved overall financial well-being. Guaranteed returns. Paying off high-interest debt is akin to earning a guaranteed return on investment equal to the interest rate saved. Improved credit score. Reducing debt balances can positively impact credit scores, leading to better loan terms and lower borrowing costs in the future. Flexibility. Being debt-free provides financial flexibility and the ability to redirect funds to other goals. Cons of paying off debt. Opportunity cost. Funds used to pay off debt cannot be invested elsewhere, potentially missing out on investment opportunities. Low-interest debt. Not all debt is created equal. Low-interest debt may not warrant immediate repayment if investment opportunities offer higher returns. Lack of liquidity. Paying off debt ties up funds that could be used for emergencies or other financial goals. Making a decision. Making a decision between investing and paying off debt often requires a balanced approach. Here are some general guidelines. High-interest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card debt or payday loans, as the interest costs can quickly erode wealth. Emergency fund. Build or maintain an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs. Low-interest debt. Evaluate the interest rates on your low-interest debts. If the rates are exceptionally low, example, a low-rate mortgage, consider investing surplus funds. Diversify. If your financial situation allows, consider a balanced approach by allocating some funds to debt repayment and others to investments. Professional advice. Consult a financial advisor or planner to create a customized strategy based on your unique financial circumstances and goals. The decision between investing and paying off debt is a complex one and depends on individual circumstances. It is essential to consider financial goals, interest rates, risk tolerance, tax implications, and the need for an emergency fund when making this decision. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer, a balanced approach that considers all factors can help individuals achieve financial stability and work towards their long-term goals. Ultimately, the key is to make a well-informed decision that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Well, that's it for today's deep dive into the world of finance. I hope you found our discussion on investing versus paying off debt insightful and valuable. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge, and that's what we're all about here at Caffeinated Money. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends who might also be interested in growing their wealth. Your support helps us create more content like this. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss out on our future videos. We've got a lot more financial insights and stock market tips coming your way. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What was your biggest takeaway from today's video? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, keep learning, stay invested, and let's make that money work for us. Until next time, this is Mike, signing off from Caffeinated Money. Stay savvy, money makers.